pomysł korumzaj. Ami atas pomysł korumzaj. Once more. Ami atas pomysł korumzaj.
Like the entire biodiversity is being rapidly destroyed in the name of so-called development. That we have reached, especially in Goa, we reached a point of saturation that we cannot take up more. There is no point in taking more development. So the people who are in power must understand and seriously understand that enough is enough. They have destroyed enough of our earth. It's time to please save the earth, because the levels we have reached, pollution, be it the level of our forest covers, our sand dunes, our mangroves, all our natural resources are being destroyed, our hills are being destroyed. There's nothing else being left. They want to, up to what point they want to destroy this earth? So this is what is happening is we are completely on the edge. Please, everybody must come out and support this movement to save our earth. That's our call.
My name is Paul Rodriguez. I am from Goa. I am from Bombay and Goa.
Okay, where you based in Goa?
In Asagaon.
Okay. And what motivated you to come today, to join us today?
Well, climate change is real, and in India no one speaks out and no one rebels, and we need rebellion. We need people to go out and say what they feel, and not enough people know about climate change. So this gets attention, and hopefully change will happen.
So what motivated you to come today basically?
Support friends who wanted to speak about that. In Goa we don't heard a lot of problems about the world. They have a lot of expansion, development, and it's nice to show something in a way to see how Goa is beautiful. Nice to see.
Do you live in Goa? Which part of Goa? Okay, you work there? What about you?
My name is Ilka. I'm originally from Germany, and I'm so happy actually people started to organize it in Goa, because I was looking for someone to organize something in Goa since a week, because it's actually a global demonstration today. Everywhere in the world people come together and demonstrate and strike for the future, so that our planet will be healthy again. So I'm very happy to be